Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see what is store procedure and function. So store procedure and function are the powerful tool that we can use in our SQL databases for data manipulation or writing complex logic that we can use for the store procedure. So first we will understand the difference between store procedure and function. So store procedure are self-contained unit of code that perform specific actions. Means store procedure is a unit self-contained unit of code that we can perform like it is a one type of SQL statement that we can execute parallelly in SQL. So what is the purpose here? Design for specific tasks like data manipulation. So any data we need to modify that we can modify with the help of store procedure. So this store procedure supports multiple operation like can perform insert, update, delete this operation. There can modify data, side effect if we see can modify data, return result and trigger events. So transaction also supported in store procedure. As compared to store procedure function, it returns single value, return single value or set of values. A purpose for this focus on data retrieval and calculations. So data modification typically do not modify data directly. So it purpose to return or calculate value and return to the caller function. So may use data to perform calculation. Then side effect do not typically have side effect, but they can be designed to. So next we are going to see key difference between store procedure and function. So purpose of the store procedure is data manipulation, where function is data retrieval and calculation. So this is the major difference between store procedure and function. Then next side effect can modify data, generally avoid side effects. Then may return multiple values. Store procedure may return multiple values as function return a single value or set of values. So if we know store procedure is a set of SQL query statement, so it can we can perform multiple operation in the store procedure. Then transaction, store procedure support transaction and function supports limited transaction support is there. So these are the four major differences in store procedure and function. Next, we are going to see how we can define store procedure for here if you see. So we are creating here create procedure update customer. So we are updating customer data. So we are passing these four parameter to store procedure. So how we can do this like begin and it is a one type of SQL statement. Similarly, we can write multiple SQL statement in store procedure and we can end. Then next function, if we see function return any value or calculate value that we can use. So here if we see a function for calculating total order amount. So we write this function, create function, calculate total order amount, and it is returning us amount based on the unit price and quantity we have selected. So how we can write this? So this command is create function, calculate total function, and we need to return the amount that is sum of this unit price and quantity. Next, when to use which? So here data manipulation, we can use store procedure. For data retrieval and calculation, we need to use function. So complex logic, we can consider the both. So here we see what is the benefit and trade-off. So security, we can use store procedure can be used for security. Performance also store procedure can optimize performance. Maintainability, function promote code reusability and modularity. Means we can create functions, small function that we can call in our code. So it promotes reusability and modularity. Then complexity, procedure can be complex to develop. That's all from this difference between store procedure and function, guys. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.